Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the procedure of making a car. So I'm not really just teach you how to make a car, but just to let you understand the procedure involved of making a car. So there are three major steps. The first one is design. Before you make a car, you have to have a design, like what's the car you are looking at. For example, you can have a sports car, you can have a sedan, you can have a SUV. So it's all design first. So there are two specific things you need to look at. So for the design, you need to consider the interior and the exterior. So the exterior is just the body of the car and the color of the exterior. And the interior is including seats, including AC and the wheel. So and what material you want to use for the seats. Say you can use leather or you can use other things. So basically, you need to have a design first. Then the second is the engineering. So the engineering part is really the most technical part because nowadays, especially we all know that German cars are good because they have good engineers. So for engineering, I think the most two important thing is the body design and the aerodynamic. So the body design including the chassis. The chassis is what supports a car. For a sports car you need a stiff chassis, but for an SUV you maybe need a more comfortable chassis. And the aerodynamic is very important for sports cars because when you are going really fast, the wind coefficient will have a huge play in your speed. You don't want you don't want a lot of drag from the wind. And also you have to consider the engine that you are using. So when we talk about engine, we always think about horsepower, right? So it doesn't necessarily mean the more horsepower it's better, because if you get more horsepower, you need more fuel. You need a lot of things to support the huge engine. So it all comes to what kind of car you are making. So it's related to the design of the car. And finally, it comes to the manufacturing. It's that's when the car is actually made in the factory. So in the manufacturing, there's the most important part is assembling, I think. So because the globalization, nowadays a car is made like in a lot of parts of the world. Maybe the electronic is from England, the tire is from China. So it's all come from all over the world, but they all get assembled at one factory. So assembling is very important. Usually there's a lot of automatic hands. They will do that job, but some high-end sports cars they use people to assemble your car. Yeah, just to maybe be more specific and be more customized. And after the manufacture, you have to also check the quality of your car. So basically, that's it. That's the steps of making a car. So now you know what the car is actually made, how to the steps involved in it.